Welcome students to your own channel Knowledge Kit. Hope you have gone through the videos of positive degree, then comparative degree. Today we will do about superlative degree, how to write a sentence in superlative degree form. How will you convert a sentence into superlative degree? That today I am going to explain. In superlative degree, you have to start again with proper noun only. Superlative degree begins with a proper noun. Then will come your be verb. As I told you earlier, after the noun, it will come, the verb is must. Be verb is must. Here in superlative degree form, remember the will come. The. Very important. The will come. Then you will write either most than the adjective, or you will write est form of the adjective. Est. That depends on the syllable of the adjective. It depends on the syllable of the adjective. Then will come your common noun. Then will come your common noun. Then whatever the extras are there, that will come at last. This is the formula to convert into a superlative degree. I am giving you an example. Just go through it. Ranjan is a smart child of our society. So how will you write it in superlative degree form? Proper noun Ranjan. I have written here Ranjan, proper noun. Then be verb is. I have written here is. The is there. Then here it is of one syllable only. Smart is of one syllable. That's why we will add est. Is the smartest of all other children in our society. Hope it is clear to you now. First proper noun will come, then be verb, then the. This is must. When you are writing in superlative degree form, the is must. And because it is of one syllable, that's why I have written here smartest of all other children in our society. Or simply you can write here. Simply you can write also here. Ranjan is the smartest child of our society. Simply you can write in this way also. Here I will tell you another thing. If the comparison is between two, if you are making comparison between two people, then you can't frame the superlative form of it. If I write here Ranjan is smarter than Rishi, then in this 1, 2, there is a comparison between two, Ranjan and Rishi. In that you can't make the superlative form because here the comparison is between two only. If the comparison is between many, if you have to prove somebody to be the best among many, then you can make the superlative form. But between two, you can't make the superlative form. If such kind of question arises, such kind of question never arise where the comparison there between two, then you have to make it superlative form. Then what will you do? How will you make it? You can write, Ranjan is smarter than Rishi, no? So you can write here, Ranjan is the smartest of all other children, including Rishi. In this way you have to form the superlative form. But mostly such kind of question never comes to you. If anytime it comes, then I have explained you how can you write it. Ranjan is the smartest of all other children, including Rishi. Now, along with this, I have explained you all the 3 degrees of conversion, from positive to comparative to superlative form. Any degree also you can make now according to your convenience. But if you remember the formula, then never you will commit the mistake. Always remember the formula. हमेशा ये जो मैंने फॉर्मूलाज दिए हैं पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में करने के लिए, कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म में करने के लिए और सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म में करने के लिए, जो भी मैंने आपको फॉर्मूलाज दिए हैं उसको हमेशा याद रखो। अगर ये याद है तो आपका डिग्री कन्वर्सन में कभी भी मुश्किलें नहीं आएंगे। कैसा भी सेंटेंस हो, कोई भी सेंटेंस हो, आप उसको आराम से कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो। बस फॉर्मूलाज याद रखो और वीडियो देखने के बाद हमेशा की आदत डालो, वीडियो देखने के बाद 5 क्वेश्चन आप खुद के बुक में से, एक्सरसाइज में से निकाल के सॉल्व कर लो। 5 क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व कर लो। आप सॉल्व करो, कोई भी आपको दिक्कत आए, कहीं पे भी आपको कोई भी मुश्किलें आए तो हमेशा मैं बोलती हूँ कमेंट बॉक्स में आप अपने डाउट्स डालो। मैं हूँ आपके डाउट्स सॉल्व करने के लिए, मैं हूँ। बहुत सारे बच्चे कुछ दूसरे टॉपिक्स के ऊपर मुझे बोल रहे हैं वीडियोस डालने के लिए, लेकिन वो एक प्रोसेस के हिसाब से मैं डाल सकती हूँ, क्योंकि जल्दी में मैं डालूंगी तो कुछ भी आप समझ नहीं पाओगे। तो मैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप पर जा रही हूँ, क्योंकि सीढ़ी तो आखिर हमें एक कदम बढ़ा के ऊपर जाना है। अगर अचानक ऊपर तो हम नहीं जा सकते, तो थोड़ा सा वेट कीजिए, मैं ज़रूर डालूंगी। जो भी आपकी मांग है ना ज़रूर पूरी होगी, बस थोड़ा सा आपको इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा। इंतज़ार से आपको अच्छी चीज़ ही मिलेगी। अगर आप इंतज़ार कर रहे हो, बिना टूटे किसी चीज़ के लिए आप काम कर रहे हो, तो आपको ज़रूर अच्छी चीज़ मिलेगी। आपको मिलेगा, ज़रूर मिलेगा। कोई भी डाउट हो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखो, मैं आपको ज़रूर उसमें डाउट क्लियर करवा दूंगी। Always remember to like, share and subscribe Knowledge Kit. Keep smiling and keep watching Knowledge Kit videos.